Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.